Yeah, man. What's up, man? What you working on? I know you working on something.
I start demoing.
Okay, you ready? Yeah, ready. Gotta get it on.
Remember, I was honest with you last time. I told you it wasn't ready for you.
Yeah.
It's ready.
You ready this time? I gotta go ahead and get a hold to you before get the line too long in here on me.
I know, right?
What's up, man? Yes, sir. All right. How y'all doing?
Perfect.
Where you at? I said you didn't go back to the South 12, man.
You blew a couple of them up.
I did that rough, man.
I went to Brian Chamberlain. I said, Brian, I said, I don't want another one of those. I said, we got to do something else. I said, send me 2 8s.
So if you wired at 1 ohm, you'd be good.
I'm at 2.2 ohms.
Oh, now?
Strapped.
Okay, like I got one. I'm at 2 ohms right now, but it worked better at a half. But I know it's risking it.
Yeah, that's the whole reason. I could run them at 3.5 each.
Yeah.
On 3 subs, but I'm gonna get one more, and I'm gonna have it hovering in the middle of these two, and I'm gonna do them at 1 ohm per sub per amp.
That's what I said, you know what? I'd just rather buy maybe another one later on. I do 8 subs or something. I can do one ohm,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, why chance it? Why push it? Why break it?
Just do 1 ohm, right?
Right, 1 ohm load. You ain't never gonna worry about it breaking. You're efficient.
Yeah.
You'll never get 8K out of it because your box rise eats you up.
Yeah. So just go with the 1 ohm, right? By the time box rise, at least I'll be at a decent amount, right?
Right, you still be 3,000-4,000 watts.
Yeah.
Look, I had mine at
on the South 12.
I had an 8K and I was at 2.4 ohms right with box rise.
Yeah.
I was getting 29.75 out of it. But I was doing 155 plus out of it too.
Yes,
I'm forward.
Man, I tell you, I said, dang, he ain't got the South 12. I know it got to be out of there for a reason.
But it's prettier this way.
Yeah, it is. It is. The more of them you have, the better it look, don't it, man?
Yeah.
You got it real nice and cleaned up here now.
Yeah, I changed the wood floor out. I rewired it. Man, wires got so damn expensive. Just for the purple and red wire to wire that, it's $570 bucks.
I know it.
Lugs and all.
Yeah, you had to get a couple rolls, didn't you?
Yeah, I got a few.
Man, it's crazy.
Hey, I did it right though. Green for ground.
Yeah.
Purple for power.
Yeah, that's right. Let me see.
Hold on, we gotta do something. I was blowing them around the truck earlier.
Yeah, I'll put you up there.
Yeah, it'll blow out the window.
Them Neos right there.
Yeah, everything's in here. I got 4 6.5 Neo Pros and 6 ET1 tweeters.
You went all the way sundown. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, well,
they did you good. They did you
yeah,
good.
they did me real good. Let's go ahead and hit you with a little.
Them ZV6, right?
XV3s. I'll play Panda. We don't own no rights to this music, but we're gonna play it anyway.
I feel myself.
What you say you run here?
6X33s. Watching Solid Cage.
Well, 15, right?
15.
Man, I'm telling you, man. Man, y'all be sure to follow Robert Guy, right?
Yes, sir.
Robert Guy, Southern Thunder Car Audio.
Team Blur Vision.
Yeah, Team Blur Vision. We're gonna drop it down in the comments below, man. This is what, round number 3? I think I've seen you 3 times so far.
Yeah.
Y'all know I gotta give y'all this every time I see it. It's always something different.
Always.
Always, man. Y'all be sure to get the demo next time, man. Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, you got this together.